Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Resident Evil 7. Today's episode we learned what's in the fridge. Or wait, do I have any coins? Let's see if I have any coins first. I'm gonna edge you folks a little bit. No, I don't. So that was a waste of time. What's in the fridge?
Put the gun
I
down.
saw you with the box. What was in the box?
Because I envy your normal life.
Put the gun down, David.
It seems that envy is my sin.
Oh, what's in the box?
Not till you give me the
What's in
gun.
the fucking box?
Give me the gun.
Oh. The pig is waiting for you in the dissection room, bitch. Wow, okay. Fucking rude. Jesus. Where's that bra again? Okay, I guess it's back into the house time. But I need to get rid of some shit first. So I have too much room. Or not enough room. Put these there. Okay. That's all I can do. Because I'm dumb. Back to the house. Down here. Down here. Because I never unlocked that door. Of course, I don't have any ammo for either gun either, so this is going to kind of suck. Oh my god. No, that's not the right way. I can't wait to find out that I went to the completely wrong spot to deal with any of this. Ooh, a lockpick. Ooh, herb. Ooh, stuff. I don't remember this. Have I never been down here before? I don't think I have been down here before. Boop, boop, boop. I don't have a thing for that. How did I never notice this door before? That's kind of dumb of me. No wonder nobody watches my videos. Me no likey? No, it's probably not that. Where do I go? Oh, there's the door. Well, this is just this place again. Anything new in here? It's very dark. Oh, God. Why is every new episode of this me not knowing where the hell I'm going? Oh, these sounds are fucking terrifying. No, I just want that. Oh my gosh. Oh. What? I thought it was down. It's got to be down here somewhere. What's that room? Okay, I'm guessing it's got to be around here somewhere. Hello. Why? It's dangerous down here, old lady. You need to not do that. Scare the poo out of me. That's still nothing. What the distance? Holy shit balls. Ow, I didn't. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Why are you so tough to kill? Holy shit and a half. I was not ready for this. Prove you're a real man. Stick your hand down the pig's throat. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. Alright. I guess we're doing this.
Sorry, Ronnie.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Well, there's that. Ugh.
That pretty little thing will help you find the 2 cue cards that you're gonna need to join the party.
Ah! Another one behind. Ah, of course there is. You little bitch. It's like a tiny one. Ow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is there anything that... Oh, I can open this now. This key. Go ahead and do this. Oh, this is... Oh. Okay. I don't have enough space to look at a stupid picture. Okay, I already looked at that picture before, I think. Alright, come on, get the fuck out of here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah! Yeah, you can't get me in here, can you, little shithead? Alright. Go ahead and save. Go ahead and at least try to find... I already read that. I could probably put this back for now. Put this. And this. Unless I can combine shit. Hold on to it. Alright. Yeah, you didn't get me, did you, little fuckface? Is there anything over here I can do? No, I don't think so. Alright. Let's find some more yours. Alright, what the fuck, dude? Go away. Nope. Leave me alone. Oh my god, it's worse everywhere. Ugh. I should be able to put that helmet on. Oh my god. Open the frickin' door. Mommy took me to the hospital in town. They took a photo of my head with a weird machine, and Mommy brought me to a 259-piece puzzle from the toy store. Stupid Oliver keeps teasing me. You're a crazy head. I lied to Oliver. I told him to come over for my birthday party, then shut him in the attic from the outside by a remote control. He kept crying and let me out, Lucas. I changed the remote control so stupid Zoe can't just go in the attic. I melded it with one of my inventor contest trophies. Now she'll never find it. Wow, this kid was a psychopath from day one. Can't do anything with that, okay. Okay. Why does it want me to look at all this shit if I can't do anything? Apologies for that gross noise I just made. What? Oliver stopped his yelling, but sometimes I hear knocking from above. Really stinks. Some weird juice is dripping from the ceiling. Anyways, since I had a time, I changed the remote control trophy again. Now it'll be shiny even at night. It's broken. Take that. Take those. I don't know what they were because I wasn't paying enough attention. There's never anything in that drawer. Does this bathroom look different to anybody else? Sure, everybody's been paying super close attention to what happens in that bathroom. They're gone. Weird. No wonder Jack was such a badass. I don't like that old lady just standing there watching me. It's kind of freaky. Kind of freaky. I'm sure that's a puzzle of some sort. Same time as all the other clocks. I don't know how to tell time. Oh, another one of those. That's always nice to have. I think I already have that gun. Fucking treasure photo. A lot of empty drawers in this place. Alright. I can do that clock thing some other time if I remember. Yikes. Okay. I didn't find the thing I was looking for. Oh, shit. Ow. Ah! Son of a bitch. Bye-bye. 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 Oh. Oh, reload. Reload. There you go. Alright, gonna go ahead and save and call this an episode. There's a lot of me doing... Oh, come on. I know this episode literally did nothing for anything, but, hopefully it's funny anyways. Alright. I love you guys. Thank you for coming by and watching. Bye-bye.